Welcome to the summer 2015 edition of The Lantern. In this edition, we are focusing on the Tavern's unique ability to create and foster connection and community through the sharing of creativity. It's not surprising that when people create together or when they gather to share their poetry, painting, or music, a sense of community arises. This has happened throughout history, and we see it all the time in meetups, writers' groups, quilting circles, and various other places where people create in the company of others. Because our larger community is spread out across the globe, the Tavern utilizes the internet to bring together old friends and new. And we find that in that space, the magic of community can still easily thrive.
It is a sort of magic we experience at the Tavern as we gather in small groups online. For example, in our cloud studios, we often discover levels of creativity we didn't know we had. And sometimes marvelous, unexpected insights arise. Partly, this is due to how generative and enlivening creativity can be. We tap mind, heart, spirit, and imagination. We let inspiration take hold and guide us to new perspectives about ourselves and about this journey of awakening. Partly, the magic arises out of a shared awareness and commitment to the transcendent potential of human existence.
A woman named Diana Leaf Christian is an author, speaker, and workshop presenter focusing on eco-villages, community, and sustainability. She says that what she calls community glue is generated by enjoyable shared activities that engender gratitude, trust, and feelings of goodwill. We've found this to be true with the activities that are taking place in the Tavern. A sweet and meaningful level of connection forms in each group as we share our unique creations in a place of safety, inspiration, encouragement, and appreciation. Further down in our newsletter, you'll be able to read words from a few members of our cloud studios and the poetry table. Take a look at what they have to say and then write us a note about your interests. You can do that on the contact page at thetavern.org.
On the contact page, you can also submit videos, audio, links, and other material which we might incorporate into one of our creativity spaces. Or you might like to suggest a theme or an idea for a new table. At the moment, 2 exciting initiatives are growing out of Sufi Way open path activities. Kiran Rana is designing a group process called The Mystic and the Activist. And a few of us are developing the framework for a large-scale collaborative art project based on the alchemy of happiness. These activities are generated by the community and in turn nourish our community. The fact that this is a virtual rather than a physical space underscores this, because in a way, the only thing that's real about the Tavern is our relationships. And so those of us who work and serve here are delighted to extend a hand of welcome.